This is what you're about to see get unboxed. It's a Yamaha SG1000. It's absolutely beautiful. It feels so nice there. It looks like my mandolin. It's like matching, isn't it? Kind of. Both copies of Gibsons, both made in Japan, and both a high quality instrument. Right, let's get to the unboxing. Good afternoon, everybody. I have another unboxing. I'm going to put this in one of my all-time want this guitar thing, whatever you would normally call that. I'm just lost for words right now. So with that in mind, I'm going to just get down and get unboxing. Sorry about this magical camera work. Let's see if we can. There we go. I've wanted one of these forever. So it's like the 80s, I think. I finally have one. It's going to be a player grade. I imagine if you got one in mint condition, it would sell for a lot more than what I paid for this. I paid for this like 800. He wanted for it like almost 1,000. It was like 980. Hopefully this will be the last guitar that I need. It comes with a free stag case with a... Oh, there you go. Get that out of the way. This way. I imagine. No, that's the wrong way. Rampwork Skate Park. No idea what that is. Okay. Ooh. You can see already, can't you? Ooh. It's missing. I know it's missing the scratch card pad, but I can buy that. I found a place where I can actually get that. Yes, look at that. Those horns just look evil, don't they? In a nice way. Just look at that thing. Oh, shit, it's just not just beautiful. Oh my goodness. These are like what makes it player grade. There's quite a few dinks and dongs on the back, and there's something up there. It's got some weight to it, but not as much as my Telecaster. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself acquainted with this thing. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I just want to have some fun with it and not have to worry about. Is it ebony or is that? Yes, ebony. Dang, look at this thing. The Les Paul Killer, it was known as. Wow. Just look at that fucking thing. How could anybody not want that? Now, my understanding from reviews and whatnot I've seen, this is better as like a lead guitar rather than rhythm. Because apparently it can get a little bit muddy in there, but that's only what I've heard on the internet, so we'll see. I'm like, I just love it. I just love it, and I think once I've stopped gawping at it and plug it in, look at that. Now I'm pretty sure these are through neck rather than set neck. Pretty sure I heard that somewhere, I read that somewhere.